shaped box chocolates. Half price at just
Hello everyone.
$9. That's value.
In this
the
video,
Australian
we'd
way
like to
at
share the work that we finished in the Honda Civic sedan 2008, which is generation 26 in 2011. And this car would just come with the factory standard radio over here before, and at this moment it is fully fit with the 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. On the screen you see the wireless Android Auto running with our Android phone recording this video as well. So on the screen here it just, you know, the very common wireless Android Autos interface, and then you can start using all the features over here. And you can see that we were listening FM radio when we are using the Android Auto over here. And yeah, everything fit beautifully. This is the 9-inch version, and it made everything looks like factory fit and factory made, and it looks so slick. We have been patiently waiting for the right version coming in, following the request from the customer, and then yeah, we definitely are very happy at this point for the whole set. The dash has very much in color to the factory dash. I would say about 95% matching, which is pretty close together. And also yep, it fit in perfectly into the clip. So all the clip, metal clip, plastic clip behind it fit perfectly in, and all the button here, they're very smooth. Okay, very smooth, already fit beautiful. And also we fit one USB, you know, down here for the ease of use, and we hit in another USB port. And the camera simply fit right at the back end of the tailgate, center of the tailgate, and on top of the number plate. So nothing special, it's beautiful and it works very well. So here we go. So when you start the engine and running, and you know, turn on the reverse camera, now why that thing actually comes up like that, you can see it's a no signal, but actually it's not lost signal. It only means that the head unit responds so sensitive to the power for the reverse, which actually this head unit can sense the power at the low range of power. And when we put the reverse gear in, it actually start the power only about 11.2 at the back at first for the reverse light, and that's enough to trigger the head unit into the reverse. But with the camera, it needs 12 plus volt, enough to gain the full, you know, high level signal. So that's why there's a little, very little delay between the camera, you know, getting signal into the front. In the meantime, the front head unit already get its own, you know, low power range to trigger the head unit into the reverse. That's why yeah, we sometimes see that reverse signal loss. But you know that when the car has more power to push to the reverse at the back end, you would see it, you know, like more instant of the reverse camera coming on. That's about the natures of the power and the camera and the head unit. But otherwise it definitely is the one that it works beautiful for us in many different cars, and that's exactly what we want. We need it's super clear, super detailed. Yep, and it works very well. Now 9-inch full package, full upgrade Honda Civic sedan 2008, generation 26 and 2011. Fit perfectly everywhere, every corner, like factory fit, with the very matching color to the dash. So thanks again for watching, and you know that all of those buttons, they work very well, you know, into into the system there. Okay, so thanks again for watching and see you in next one.